So kahapon, in the interest of fairness, we will go through it, yung kanyang mga accomplishments sa unang 1 taon at kalahati. VP Sara vows to sustain momentum in pursuing matatag reforms in BER 2024. Yon. Ito nagustuhan ko to. Yung pagtatanggal ng admin task sa mga teachers. Kasi hindi naman talaga trabaho yan ng mga teachers. Okay, sana lang ma-implement na maayos. Kasi syempre, hindi naman batas yan Malamang memorandum circular lang yan. Next, eto, DGED. Kailangan importante to mga kochero. This is going to be good, but it's going to also be a very expensive. Dropouts due to teenage pregnancies and early marriage down by 88%. Construction daw ng classrooms. Para sa akin, the one that really stood out is itong overtime, tsaka overtime pay, tsaka no admin task. Tsaka ito. Resolve 178 cases.